Very good morning to you all, my dear children. I hope all of you can remember the last class what we were discussing. Am I right? We were discussing the third unit, two stories about flying. And under this, we discussed his first flight. Some part of the first flight only we discussed. Am I right? Okay. What was the? I told you, parents, that means men, animals, or birds, all love their children. They help them grow, have confidence and courage in themselves to stand on their own feet and face the world boldly. His first flight is the story of a young seagull who is afraid to fly. Who wrote this story? I told you who is the author of the story. Liam Flaherty. Okay. His first flight is the story of a young seagull who is afraid to fly. He lacks confidence. He thinks his wings are too weak to fly. That is why he was afraid of flying, right? Okay. His parents, brothers, and sisters all left him alone on the ledge to starve. Perhaps hunger forced him to learn flying. Okay. And the sight of food made him mad with hunger, right? Okay, let me read the next paragraph. Ga, 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 he cried, begging her to bring him some food. Go call, ah. She screamed back derisively, but he kept calling plaintively. And after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. You see, children, what is the meaning of derisively? Derisively means in a manner showing someone, okay, that she or he is stupid. Okay, here and one more new word is there, plaintively. Plaintively means in a sorrowful manner. Okay, then he saw the young seagull, he saw his mother coming towards him with a piece of fish in her beak. He jumped with happiness and he ran up to the ledge of the ledge to get the food. You see that one. Okay, let me continue. He leaned out eagerly and tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get near to her as she flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her. You see, children, actually mother was playing a trick here. Then he saw his mother coming towards him with a piece of fish in her beak. Okay, he jumped with happiness and ran up to the edge of the ledge to get the food. His mother came very near to him, and you see that she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. You see, children, he cried in hunger to his mom while his mother screamed back angrily, and he kept crying, which soon turned into a joyful scream at the sight of his mother flying towards him with the piece of fish. He got excited as she came nearer and thus leaned forward. Suddenly she stopped. What is the meaning of halted? Stopped. Okay. Suddenly she stopped. Not too far from him. Out of this excitement, he was in such an excitement, and he was wondering why she did not come nearer. And then he was mad with hunger actually. Out of excitement and hunger, he dived at the fish without realizing for a moment that he was afraid to fly space. Then a monstrous terror seized him, and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment, he felt his wings spread outwards. The wind rushed against his breast feathers. Then, under his stomach and against his wings, he could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. Gah, gah, gah. His mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him, screaming. He saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. Then he completely forgot he had not always been able to fly, and commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. Children, you see what are the new words given here? One is monstrous. Monstrous means horrible. Monstrous means horrible. Then seized, grab. And headlong, with the head foremost. What is head with the head foremost means? With the head down. Then dizzy, feeling giddy, or an uncomfortable feeling of spinning around and losing one's balance. That is dizzy. And swooped. What is swooped? Move rapidly downwards through the air. Then curveting. Curveting means perform a series of jumps on the hind legs. Okay? Or moving like a, or leaping like a horse. Okay? Then banging. Banging means flying with one wing higher than the other. Banging. Okay? Then shrieking, uttering shrilling sound or uttering a shrill cry, loud cry. Okay? These are the new words given here, and let's see what's given here in these paragraphs. He got so excited. Who? The seagull. Okay, the young seagull got so excited that he fell as soon as he tried. For a moment, he was in a shock and stood still out of terror. All this lasted only for a moment. His fear and everything, it lasted only for a moment. And soon his feathers opened as he flied. He could feel the wind against his breast feathers, stomach, and his wings. He could feel himself cutting through the air. He was not afraid into the sea, where at first he got scared and thus panicked. He tried escaping, but got tired and weak. He was very much tired and weak because of hunger. Thus, he calmed down. He started floating in the sea. He was once he was too much afraid of floating in the sea, but now he did that one. He thought he was sinking. Then his breast touched the water and he started floating. Okay. He was no more afraid to fly or float now. Okay. Then his family was celebrating in excitement and offered him food as prize. Finally, he had overcome his fear and had made his first flight. At last, he made his first flight. So, my dear children, that's all about this story. His first flight. I told you it's written by Liam Flaherty, and let me give you some gist of this. Okay, the young seagull, he was terribly afraid to fly. His parents encouraged him to make his first flight, but he could not do so. Then the mother picked up a piece of fish, but did not go near to give him. The seagull was extremely hungry, and he started crying so that his mother would give him some food. Okay, but after coming towards him, the mother stopped opposite to him, but almost within his reach. when the seagull dived to get the piece. She swooped upwards, maddened by hunger. The young seagull spread his wings upwards and started flying. This shows that the mother wanted her son to become courageous. Right? Okay? And this shows that sometimes parents take such harsh steps for their kids, which may appear wrong at that time but later prove to be beneficial for their kids. Am I right? I hope everyone understood the story. Am I right? Okay, we have some question answers related to this story that we will discuss later. Now, let me conclude and thank you. Have a nice day.